Alrighty, here we go, guys. Last giveaway of the month. So make sure you answer the question. The link will be again down below. Answer the question by midnight Pacific Standard Time on Sunday, August 29th. I will do the last drawing on Monday morning, and I'll let the winner know. And then after this one, I will compile all the winners, and I will do a follow-up video at the end of this month or it might be the beginning of September. Depends on how my day is going, to let you guys know who the winners were for all 5 drawings, right? And here we go. This is the giveaway for number 5. You've got that one. You've got this one. You got this one, one of my favorites actually. That one and this one. There they all are. There's not room for that. Let's put it over here. There we go. Those are the 5 that are going to be in this giveaway. And so you'll click the link that's down below and you will answer the question. Give me your email address. You have to do that. Can't enter without an email address. That's how I'm going to get a hold of you. The question is going to be, ask me a question and I'll answer in a future video. You know how I do those questions out of the book while I'm drawing? I need some more questions. I need some more things to talk about. If you have a burning question you want me to answer, I will be happy to answer them, but please be respectful with the questions. I won't answer inappropriate questions. I won't answer questions that give specifics about things like where I live, the names of my family members, that kind of thing. And, you know, nothing inappropriate, but if it's family friendly, I will answer to the best of my ability. And, yeah, that's going to be the last one. I want you to ask me something. And if you have other questions about drawing, about art in general, about whatever, absolutely ask me a question. You know, I think I'm going to change it to long answer so you can have a longer question if you want to. I'm going to change that. I had it as a short one, but I think I'm going to change it to a long one. So, you know, if you have more than one question, burning question, feel free. I will take them all. And then I'll let you guys know who wins totally over the whole course of the time. And we'll see what happens. This is a new way of doing it and an experiment for me. I'm hoping that this way is more user-friendly, because scrolling through all the YouTube comments and cutting them out and printing them and cutting them out and making screenshots and putting them on a piece of paper and drawing them out of a hat was fine when I had very few people commenting. No longer is it fine because I now have way too many people. I've got 27,000 viewers at this point, and I was having hundreds of entries, and that was just more than I could handle. So I thought maybe this way would work, and so hopefully this was going to be a good way to do things, and I can do it again in the future. So good luck to everybody who does an entry for the last giveaway. If you already won one, you can certainly answer a question and comment and participate, but you can only win one envelope. That's the rule. You only can win once, but you can enter all of them, but you can only win once. That's just to make it fair for everybody, right? And I will see you guys on the next regular video. You guys have a blessed day. I know that by the time this comes out, my birthday month will be over. I will have had an awesome birthday celebration. Now, it may be tempered with some other things because I just got in the mail a jury duty summons for the day after my birthday. So that week may change as to the excitement of my week. But anyway, I have no problem going. Just interesting that it would happen to be the day after my birthday. Anyways, I know that this month will go by in a flash. Time is just speeding forward. For the longest time, it went agonizingly slow, and now it is going super fast. So it is what it is. But anyway, yeah. You guys do the link down below. I will see you on the next regular video. Have a blessed day. Do something nice for somebody today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.